RS-GIS and geography. In this video, I'm going to show how you can convert ArcGIS attribute table into Excel by two ways. First way is copy paste and the next way is export. So first of all, I want to open the folder where I want to, this is the geomorphology landform shapefile, add and open attribute table. See that these are the attribute tables. Select all is selected, and now click on right click on here. See that copy selected, and then you have to open Excel file. It is opened here, and now paste here. See that everything is pasted here. This is the very simplest way. Another way is exporting. So that for right click on here and then export here, geomorphology device table, save. Okay, it is saved. And what you need to do now, open Excel file. I'm taking sheet 2 or all files, geomorphology device, open. See that file is opened here.